Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope I'm live as well. So we are watching this Bitcoin chart on 1 minute time frame. This is 4 hour time frame chart, by the way. Um, we have seen quite bullish price action from the market, keeping this 4 hour time frame fair value gap open yesterday. It was very slow, very choppy, very slow, very choppy, but still managed to go to the upper side. I'm not at all confident on all of those lows right now at the moment. Yes, market is going to the upper side. We can see that. But all of those lows, I'm not at all confident on all of these lows. If you watch out like that, market has not even gone down below any of those previous lows. It was going up and up. And right now, there could be two possibilities on a price action right now. If you watch out the market right now, continuation toward upper side, or it is possible that because all of those lows I'm not confident on, all of those lows we are not confident on. From here, market could show rejection and then could be coming down as well toward levels. And we have to keep in mind that we have some sort of news as well coming up at 3 o'clock. Fed chair, today's Wednesday, Fed chair Powell's testify. So there will be some press conference going on. Uh, Yesterday did not really happen. The market remained sideways because of the speech. And let's see to today what it will happen or how it goes. We don't know. Just watching and observing the charts right now. Like I'm thinking about right now two possibilities. Like at this range, I'm more of like bearish on a price action. At this range, why I'm bearish right now at the moment? Because after the pullback toward from downside toward upper side, market has been quite aggressively bullish toward upper side, and most of the retail traders at this point is bullish. And definitely they will be looking for a new all-time high from here. Everybody will be looking for new all-time high from here. Everybody will be looking for new all-time high from here at 90% chance. 90% of the people will be looking for new all-time high from here. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But if you watch out, this is a range and this is the value area high of the range. This is a range from we have been trading from May, 7th of May all the way up till now. 2 months we have been trading inside this range, and this is the value area high of the range, strongest level of resistance on top of us. And all of those lows we are already not confident on. I'm already not confident on all of those lows. And we have this if you try to find our own bigger picture time frame, we have any level of resistance on top of us. This is monthly high. And we have this last week high, which is a little bit toward upper side, which is around about 109 approximately. 109k is the last weekly high as well. That may act as a resistance, we don't know. But if you watch out, this is a bigger picture time frame range we are trading inside. This is a quite big range, and round about where the level we're trading at, we have this value area high as well at this range, 106.5k from here. This is the value area high of the range as well, approximately at this range. Like it is not a fixed, but what is the value area high? But around about at this range, you have this value area high of the range as well. And everybody's bullish, looking for the market to go to the upper side. But smart money may have to left those highs not to be taken. and then pull the price to go downward side. And we have already all of those lows we are not confident on. And we have to keep in mind that we have this daily fair value gap as well at right now. This is a daily fair value gap as well. Inverted daily fair value gap. Maybe this area could act as a resistance as well. Market could show rejection from here as well. And then for bearish case scenario, I'm thinking about all of those possibilities for the bearish case scenario. Let's see if I can be able to highlight that. This is daily fair value gap, yeah. And I wanted to go to from daily time frame. I wanted to go to shorter term time frame, 4 hour time frame to understand the certain levels. I hope you guys can hear me. So this is daily fair value gap as well. And 4 hour time frame, if you watch out, we have all of those highs has been taken. This high is a previous daily high as well. Where we look at this market has shown rejection from upward level of the daily fair value gap and trying to go toward low levels from here. Nothing on a chart in there on 5 minute time frame. Nothing on a chart on 15-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. We have this fair value gap on 30-minute time frame. This is rejection, by the way. This is rejection from the. I'm anticipating right now for the bearish case scenario. Market show no intent to go above those highs, these two highs. From here, continuation toward downward side. I'm anticipating, or if it has to knock all go down all the way to for these lows as well, it should have to invert this 30-minute time frame fair value gap as well, and tends to go down from here toward low levels. It will be great if market keep this fair value gap open. Create fair value gap and keep this fair value gap open. This is what it is I'm thinking about. And this is this daily high as well. I'm anticipating market should have to keep this fair value gap open and tends to go down from here. We went for a short at this point. My stop loss is just above this fair value gap high. This is not a very big trade. Just one contract. I'm thinking about should I have to put my real money into that. I can put that real money into that, but I need confirmation. Can go for a short. It seems to me it is going to go down from here. And market is quite aggressive. Seems to me. It should have to aggressively go down from here. If it show rejection from this range, we could be going down way toward low levels. All of those lows could be knocked. If not in the morning session, maybe in the afternoon session, we could be going down way toward low levels from here. I'm keeping my stop loss tight. Now it should not have to go above this high right now. Tends to be going down from here. It's a, I'm watching an market should have to go down toward low levels. Something like at there's somebody who's like uh, sitting in there, and it is attracting the price toward low levels. That's how markets should have to go toward low levels. Like if you really attract somebody toward low levels, it really has to go toward low levels from here. At least I'm aiming for these lows. My stop loss is above these highs now. I'm keeping my stop loss in there, and I'll be keep on playing this game. This is a complete rejection from the market. It should have to go down from here, but it is also possible that it may has to make a one more leg toward upper side and then go down, because I don't know if these highs are the local highs. The way it has gone down, I'm anticipating continuation toward downward side from here. Spending much time at this range, it will be likely that it may go toward upper side, or may one one leg toward upper side and then go down as well, something like that as well. First initial anticipation, I'm anticipating a continuation toward downward side. The way we have seen rejection and then come back down from here toward low levels. This did not seems to me like really good. This did not seems to me really good, yeah. Because it should have to go down from here toward lower levels. This is a 5 minute time for fairly gap. Let's see from this area. Show rejection from this range and then tends to be going down from here. It should not have to spend much time at this range. It should have to go down. It should not even have to hold this area as well. It did not really seems to me that it wants to go toward downward side. I may close my position at break even. If technically speaking, my stop loss should be above this high now. But I'm really not confident on this high because this high could be knocked, and if this high could be knocked, then we can anticipate sideways per second at this range, and then market could be going down from here toward lower levels. I may close my position at break even on my. I'm closing on my own account. I have closed my position already. Real money, I have closed my position. Break even, yeah. At break even, yeah. I closed my position at break even on my real money. This is demo. This is my lunch time. Sorry, guys. This is my lunch time. I have to eat something. Yeah. Just watching and observing the charts. Doing nothing. Doing nothing right now. Trading is boring, man. Let's see if this Fed, what is this they're saying? Something going on, yeah. He's answering some questions from media. I don't know. I don't want to listen. Let's listen a little bit. I don't know. Maybe if I do listen to this one, maybe I go to copyright strike. I don't want that. You, you got copyright strike from YouTube, I think so. Not from other platform. This is Google. I don't know. I started watching the other this range. Not about this range. So when it created this week, I was watching. I was like, it should not have to go below this low. Now it should have to go to this daily high. Upper level of this. This could have been a trade. From here, before opening, all the way to this area. And I have seen that many times. Market give you a very small quick trade before the opening bell and remain completely sideways in the morning and afternoon session. This could have been a trade. After that, market may do nothing. We can anticipate that. This is what it is I was thinking about. A bounce from this range could anticipate or expect from the market to try to make one more leg toward upper side, try to knock this side, then be going down if it has to go down, or because it is bullish, continuation toward upper side as well. There is no denying about that. What do you think closing the position at that point in here and closing my position at the break even, it was a good decision or not a good decision so far? This is how it is. Like I was anticipating aggressive price action to go downward side from here, but they not went down from here. This is what I was telling you. If they not went down, it remains sideways. I'll be closing my position. I'm anticipating aggressive price action to go downward side from here. Something is attracting the price toward the somebody is there to attract the price to these lows. And it did not seem to me that really wants to go toward downward side at this point. We close at break even on both of the trades. That's it. And so far for now, up till now, I don't seem I don't know like which way it could go from here. It could go to do the up. So far, if you watch out, this is the trend. This trend is more of like bullish going toward upper side on shorter term time frame as well, 5 minute time frame. This trend is going toward upper side. We could anticipate or expect that continuation toward upper side of this trend until unless there is element of time and there is some news and we may see rejection from this range toward levels. Most of the people, I'm thinking about this right now at this range. Most of the people will think like uh, where we are trading at because we have inverted this one daily fair value gap as well, going toward upper side. Just on a bigger picture time frame, if you watch out, we have seen that on Monday. We've seen quite. Oh, sorry. We have seen quite bullish price action from the market on Monday. Went toward upper side, invert this 4 out of fair gap as well, invert this daily fair value gap as well, trading at upward level. We have all-time high in there. So everybody will be thinking market is or should have to go toward upper side to new all-time high. But if you watch out the element of time and then possible as well, it could go to all the way toward upper side. Technically speaking, there is no reason for the market to go down. Technically speaking, because we are bullish inverting this daily fair value gap as well. But if you watch out, most of the smart money knew that what retail trader or technically what retail trader would be thinking or doing, looking for the market to be bullish, then they will send the price toward low levels. I think so. This is very important at certain levels on a price section, certain big range. You should have to understand what try to figure out like or try to think like what most of the peoples in a trading psychologically would be thinking right now. So for me right now at this range, psychologically most of the everybody will be thinking for the market to go to the upper side. Everybody will be thinking yes, it could go to the upper side because at some point at some market has to agree with the retail trader as well at some point, but most of the time they did not agree, or most of the time they send the price opposite to the retail traders. Maybe this time they have to agree with the retail mindset and then send the price toward upper side, possible. And what is next week? I wanted to know what the next we have CPI, PPI, I think so. The first week of June, non-farm employment, yeah, OPEC meeting as well. So there has been quite a bunch of news as well going on the overall in the world. Everybody will be thinking to go to the upper side from here because ceasefire going has gone to the war, and then now everybody's looking for the market to go toward upper side. There's good news come of already in the market, and then everybody's now bullish. Now they have to send the price toward low levels. This is how I am thinking about right now. How smart money would be thinking at right now at this point. They may send the price toward low levels from here. This market is mostly run by the news. Sometimes it did not. This is what I have observed. And This is what it is I was thinking about. If I make myself capable enough to got to know the news, what it could be happening, like if I have keep an eye on news most of the time, and the second thing is I got to know on certain levels order flow, if open interest is going up, which way. Oh, okay, open interest is going up, which way, up or down, down, what level we are at, resistance, and most of the retail trader will be shorting the market resistance, and then they will send the price to whatever size. So that's how it is. Like if I got to know all of those things, this is what it is. Like I'm really trying to learn right now to get to know order flow on the charts, and we should definitely know delta and open interest, all that things to be on the charts. Yeah. A sideways price section from the market right now, we can anticipate that. You know what? I think so. We should come back after 12 and half past 12. Now there is not at all any kind of volatility on a chart, and then we will see volatility around 12, half past 12 for the afternoon session. This is for sure. I think the market is waiting for the 12 and 12:30. Let's listen to this. Very boring. Do something, man. Because it has shown rejection from this area and then going down. Let's see if it try to knock these lows. I don't think so. It will be able to invert this 30-minute time frame favorable gap and then go down. I don't think so. Quite slow and choppy price action from the market, and the most important things I have to do apart from trading Bitcoin is I really have to upload a shot today. So yeah, I really have to do upload a short, and then I have to do some. Really have to learn something about my trading, something new, and order flow maybe, and all that, while keeping an eye on charts. To do some research about my diet, to do some online shopping. Yeah. So tomorrow I will have the 9:45. I have a driving test. It's gonna be like 10 to 12, man. It means I have to sleep early. It means I have to sleep 10, wake up 6, go to gym 7, come back 9, 10 to 12 driving test. Then from 12, after 12 I have to start my trading something. This is how it is. I should have to do. Think so. And this is how it is. If I have to be watching the charts for 10 o'clock straight away here, and while doing that I have to do all of those things I really have to do. So some journaling, learn some trading skills, learn to focus on diet, do some online shopping, remain focused on my driving test. Have to do how can I make my live stream and shots better, and have to do some video editing skill as well. Yeah, learn something video editing to do some small stuff. Everybody's quite bullish on charts right now. quite choppy and sideways price section from the market, guys. Just doing really nothing. We should not deny the fact we can anticipate that. So now it has gone down. And I was not anticipating from this range to go down. I was like, could we going to the upper side, make one more leg, then go down, try to do that. But we have seen that from here. I was like, it could hold this 30-minute time frame fair value gap, but actually it did not hold this area. And yeah, and now we're trying to go to these lows. I'm looking for these lows to be knocked off. It should have to knock this low, by the way, now, because the way at this point we was anticipating more of like a bounce toward upper side, and market just going down, show rejection from here, create fair value gap, keeping it open, going down, knocking this low, knocked this low. This low has been knocked as well. I'm looking for the market to these lows to be knocked as well, and we have this 15-minute time frame fair value gap as well in here. The only thing that may send the price toward upper side, or maybe you can say that because we are already bullish, we have all of these highs, market has left. I'm not really confident on all of those highs as well. This is a 50% of the daily fair value gap as well. From here, we could anticipate bounce as well toward upper side to those highs. Maybe as it is going down, as it is going down, this is 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute time from here. From here, I'm anticipating these lows to be knocked off. Let's see if we continue to go down from here to knock this low, these lows, and this low as well. Because this is a 50% of the daily fair value gap, we could expect bounce as well from here to upper side. Just a boring press section from the market right now. If you watch out, sorry guys, I've been quiet, so I have to be quiet. I don't know what to say. um, you focus on yourself. You focus on charts. You waste your energy speaking too much. Uh, yeah. So this is how it is. At this point, I was thinking about just from here, try to go down for these lows. I was like, it could hold, should have to hold this area, try to be bullish. Then we have seen inversion of this 30-minute time frame fairly gap, market show rejection from lower level, come back down. This favorable gap tap into that, create favorable gap in here, show rejection from the 50% of the range, then come down. We was looking for these lows and 15-minute time frame favorable gap. It come down all the way to this low, and right now I'm anticipating further. What do I anticipate right now? Like this is the thing right now. The possibilities right now on at the moment is market could remain sideways inside this range, which is possible, and then overall this is a big level of resistance. If it remains sideways, it is possible that it could make leg up whenever one is bullish. Like it could be going down, maybe remain sideways, and then be bullish as well toward upper side because it is already bullish and everybody is bullish. So that's how this could play it out as well. Overall, right now, if you watch out, we're trading inside quite big range now. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame fair value gap, or daily fair value gap, sorry. And if you watch out on 30-minute time frame, we have this level of resistance, and 1 hour we have nothing. 15-minute time frame we have quite this fair value gap as well, this fair value gap as well. So yeah. I'm thinking about to go out. I don't know which way it could go from here right now because we're trading at below 50%, could be going down as well, but could be going toward upper side as well. Quite a bit of possibilities as well. There is no denying about that. Or we could remain sideways as well at this range. Maybe afternoon session market has to be remain sideways. Possible. There is no denying about that as well. Yeah. The way market has left all of those highs at this point, it is possible that market may try to go toward upper side from here, try to knock those highs. And in this morning session, market has been more of like we went toward upper side before. This was before opening at this range. Like we went for a short, we closed at break even. It went toward upper side. Show rejection from 5 minute time frame fairly gap, and then I was not anticipating that it could be going down for me. But it went down, show rejection went down all the way to those lows to this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. 107 600 500 approximately to 106 900 $600 move approximately. Could have been a trade, not an obvious trade, I would say that. We did not trade because this was 30-minute time frame fairly gap at this range. I was looking for the market to hold this area, but it went down from there toward lower levels. And this is what we have seen on the charts today. And yeah, right now we're trading at lower level of the daily fair value gap, and then this is a 15-minute time frame fair value gap as well. We don't know which way it could go from here. uh, just watching and observing the charts. On a bullish case scenario, I'm not confident on all of those highs. I'm more for like in a concern that it is possible that it could remain sideways, and then it will after that could be bullish. When everyone is bullish, then go down as well toward low levels. If market show rejection from this range again, failed to go to the upper side from here, we can anticipate a major pullback toward low levels, and major pullback could be all the way to this 4-hour time frame fairly gap, or maybe we have this daily fair value gap as well at this range to that level as well. So this is what it is. Maybe it is possible that it is also possible that this could be the high. Let's say it's very slow right now. I don't know. Internet is a bit choppy. Maybe it is also possible that this could be the high. Market may not go above those highs. Slow and steady market continue to go down as well like that. It is also possible. We cannot deny. There has been quite like aggressive rejection from this range, and if it closed like that, 4-hour time frame, 12 minutes left on a chart, and then from here we are going down, knocking all of those lows to this 4-hour time frame fairly gap. This is also possible as well. We cannot, and this is daily fair value gap as well from here on the charts. So these are the possibilities and the probabilities we can anticipate or expect from the market to play it out. And just watching and observing right now, for example, if this is the high on a chart, market has to not to go above this high. This is a 50% of the daily fair value gap. It should have to go down from here toward low levels. If it remains sideways at this range, then I will be more of a like in concern. It could be bullish, or the last possibility could be from here. I'm anticipating three possibilities. Could be continuation toward downside. This is the local top. If it has to continue to be going down from here toward low levels, this is a 50% of the range. Technically speaking, it should not have to go above this high as well. From here, it should have to go down, and yeah, I'll see you guys